Today we're going to be changing the light bulbs on our license plate for our 2010 Ford Taurus. There's two of them, and they're underneath right here. We just happen to have, ours have regular Phillips head screws. One, two. Now, looks like we just prise right out. The bulbs on this are a 6418 Sylvania long life bulb for the Ford Taurus. So new bulb. Take our old bulb out. They just want to pull back on that and pull it in, push it in. Go back in. And we'll do the other side. I'm just going to get my flathead screwdriver. There's a little notch here. You can put it in and pull this down. Put it back in. Now let's test it out. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more changes to your cars. Thanks for watching.